Again, we have a problem here. It says A is 44 years of age, B is 12 years of age. How many years ago was A 3 times as old as B? So I'm going to claim that, it's a good idea to name X to be the number of years ago. So let's write this down. How old was A X years ago? He was 44 minus X. How old was B X years ago? B was 12 minus X. And what do I want? I want A at that point in time to be 3 times as old as B. So that's my equation. And again, by today's standards, we'd be extremely happy to see a student write that down. The next thing we'd be happy to see, can a student solve that? That's 44 minus X equals, and I'd say this is where most people stop thinking, which is fine, by the way. I understand that. I always say algebra sometimes is really the desire to stop thinking about the words and get busy with symbols. And what do you get over here? Let's see. This would be 2x. I added 3x to both sides. And subtract 44, you would get minus 8. And then x would be minus 4. And I got to be honest with you, we'd be extremely happy by today's standards if a student answered that. It really doesn't make sense with the problem, though. And the reason for that is, X number of years ago, we're looking for a positive number. This is actually not 4 years ago, it's 4 years from now. All right? So let me point this out. If you wrote this down, 4 years from now, A would be 48. And 4 years from now, B would be 16, which is in fact 3 times that. All right? 3 times 16 is 48. So Wells would claim the problem really should be rewritten. And I agree with that. The problem should be rewritten like that. Because it's not 4 years ago, it's 4 years from now. All right? So not how many years ago, it's in the future it occurs. All right? So again, this is written over here for you. All right, before I lose track of myself, I want to remind you my name is Ron Bannon, and my email address is Bannon. That's B as in boy, the @ symbol, NNON.US. Thank you.